Hello aspirants, I am Pranav and I would like to tell you the difference between the PGDM, MBA and PGPM. So this is one of the very common questions which comes in the mind of aspirants when he is preparing. He gets offer from different colleges, somebody is offering PGDM, somebody is offering MBA and some of the institutes are even offering PGPM. So we must understand the difference between the three. So, PGDM is a program which is AICTE approved, All India Council of Technical Education. So this is a body of a central government. Whereas MBA is UGC recognized, University Grant Commission. So this is a body which gives the authority of gives the authority to any institute to become a university. Whereas PGPM is neither AICTE approved and nor UGC recognized. So PGPM is what? PGPM is a kind of a autonomous degree. This is the first difference. The second difference is, yes, the PGTM is too much corporate oriented program. It's a very corporate updated program. Whereas majority of the MBA giving institutes, their curriculum is very traditional. Means if the MBA is from a state university, then many a times we find that the curriculum is too much traditional. It's not that corporate oriented. And what I mean to say between these two is that if you are seeing the PGDM, you will see that lot of guest lectures are being done. Summer internship, 100% summer internship assistance is there. Then you find lot of visiting faculty, and these things you find little less in MBA giving institute, until unless there are again few institutes which are really good, like say Washington International University or Narsingh University. That's why I have marked here a star. So it doesn't mean that all MBA institutes are giving a traditional curriculum. So it depends from college to college, but yeah, in majority of the case, MBA's curriculum is traditional one. Again, PGPM gives a corporate oriented program. So it means that since college which is giving PGPM, they understand that they are neither giving AICTE approved degree nor UGC recognized degree. So they are giving a highly corporate oriented degree so that students should at least get a placement for which they are taking a good fee. Now I will come over the third difference, which is PhD institute which is AICTE approved. If that institute is again AIU approved, in that condition only student can pursue PhD. But if the institute is not AIU approved, then a student can never do PhD after completion of PGDM. Whereas if MBA is done from any University Grant Commission approved college, then PhD can be done easily. PhD cannot be done in any case if you have done PGPM. Now, if I talk about from last 10 years experience of mine, I would like to tell you that PGDM has a partial acceptance in abroad countries. Yeah, this is true. In some countries there is acceptance, and even if there is acceptance, it is accepted for the job, but it is not accepted for the further studies. You cannot pursue PhD, you cannot pursue and that kind of higher degrees on the basis of PGDM. When I talk about the UGC recognized MBA, yes, it has a worldwide acceptance. And PGPM again, it's an autonomous degree, though it's corporate oriented, but again in foreign countries, if you are doing a job with a PGPM degree, there are no issues and you can continue with the job, you can grow in your job, but it has nothing to do with your PGPM. And if you are planning for the higher education, you cannot do that. Now if I talk about the Indian scenario, 42 out of 50 institutes, 50 top institute of India gives PGDM. You name any college of Delhi, like IMI, Delhi, IMT Ghaziabad, Forum School of Management, any institute to talk of, most of the colleges are giving PGDM because it's a highly corporate oriented degree. Whereas if I talk about the MBA colleges, only 8 out of 50 top institutes give MBA, like Narsingh Monjee University is there, Symbiosis International University is there. And yeah, it is true that 5-7 years before, these Symbiosis and Narsingh Monjee were also giving PGDM. So initially they started with the AICTE program, and after that they took a to be deemed university status. Symbiosis take an international university status. So there were the different kind of format which was obtained by these universities. Now, if I talk about the PGPM, none of the college among top 50 is giving PGPM, and previously, up to last year, IIMS were giving PGPM, but from this year, they have also started giving MBA. So my recommendation will be that you should do PGDM, which will be a corporate oriented. The college must be AIU approved, so that you can do the PhD also if you want to pursue the higher education. Thank you.